Hey! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Walker Ross with Tater Ridge TV. So, it's rainy, it's nasty. There's nothing really I can do outside that's any fun. So, with that being said, I figured I would do an unboxing for you guys. So, I don't even know what the date is. It's the December sometime, like the 13th, 14th, something like that. And duck season is here, so I figured I would give a review of some brand new waders that I just got. These are going to be from Rogers. Shout out to Rogers for always fighting the good fight. So let's get right into this thing, man.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you not subscribed? Go hit that subscribe button. Back to the video.
So this is going to be the first look for me and for you guys. Looks like we get, they throw your waders in there, and they looks like they give you some Rogers soles too. Don't need that box. So I've used Magellan's, I've used Banded, and I've used Rogers, or I will be using Rogers. So I've hunted with Banded all last year and thus far this year. They started leaking. They were brand new last year. 10 hunts in, maybe, they started leaking, and patched them up with some Aqua Seal, and anyway, they leak. All waders leak, I guess, but seems like the B word wants to leak a little more than others. But these are Rogers 2-in-1 Elite 2-in-1 breathables. And like I said, I don't even know, I just opened these, so I've heard that the boots in these things are supposed to be like stupid comfortable, which is good because my feet get to hurting. So yeah, so this is not a neoprene wader. This is, let's see. Okay, so they give you, looks like some sealant there in case you get any rips. That's cool. So the reason I bought these things was because I'm going to Arkansas in January, and I didn't want to take just one pair of waders, especially not just my Banded waders. Gosh, these things look like they're meant for someone 15 foot tall. I mean, no doubt. Look here, them suckers are huge. These are 10 regulars. Okay, so first thing I noticed, we've got the phone pouch in the front. We've got these straps, the J-hook kind of straps, not like buckles. Check that out. So this is rubber, and so that's how. Let's see. Yeah, it's got like 6 different grooves in there. You can just. It's not that's not flexible though. That's flexible, but that is not. Yeah, the same thing on both sides. Okay, so there's your straps. They both have that J-hook style. Your D-loops right there. It's kind of loud, but shell loops in the front. Basic stuff. And in here, inside this pocket, it's a zip pocket, and okay, just a storage pocket. That's cool. Cool. See, there's your belt loops that don't come with the belt in. Alright, so check this. This is pretty cool. Get this out of the way here. Let's just take these off. Yeah, this is kind of neat. So instead of having like just for say my Banded waders have a little slot right here where it's insulated that I can put your hands in. These don't have that, but they do have this. I think it's Primaloft. The hand warmer's in the inside, so it's just right inside your waders. And it's like I said, it's Primaloft, so that's pretty warm stuff. So that's cool. That's a little bit of a change up. And like I said, that's inside the waders. And yeah, here is, so like I said, it's a zip out liner, right? So you can zip out this, and then you have uninsulated waders if you want to, like during early teal, or I guess you could trout fish or fish in them or whatever. So that's cool. Zip out liner. And I think these are 1200. Yeah, 1200. I got the 1200 insulated because my feet get cold. These boots seem nice. All right, let's try them on. Well, I mean, I think they fit me real well. I know they're not, especially with a wading belt on, they ain't gonna ride, they ain't gonna be way out here like my banded waders are. Well, I'm here to tell you the first thing I noticed is the boots. These boots, now I will be honest with you, that's kind of tight. Like I said, these are 10 regulars. And all I've got on under these is utility pants. That's pretty tight. Granted, I'm not going to be running a marathon in them, but it's real tight around the knee. So it's got, the bud on it where that Carhartt stuff on the butt. It's got the Carhartt stuff right here above the boots. I kind of wish it would hang down below the boots, but I reckon that's all right. Let's see. These are adjustable, I hope. Right. Yeah. 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 There we go. I don't have really big shoulders, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right. So the only problem with like rubber stuff like these is, it might dry rot, but maybe not. Yeah, that works just fine. They're comfortable. My feet are already starting to sweat, but I mean they fit really good. I almost bought a slim, and I'm glad I didn't. So this thing, this Primaloft little hand warmer, I can done tell you it ain't gonna keep your hands very warm. I mean, it's maybe I'm wrong. It just seems really thin and kind of, I don't know. Me personally, if I'm gonna put my hands down here, I'm gonna put mine in my jacket right here. But got that. I don't know. I don't think there's anything, out of the ordinary special to these. What I do like is the boots. The boots, I'm like a 10.5, 11, 10. I can wear kind of any in that little size there, but the 10s are perfect, snug, not too big, not too small. They fit, I would say, true to size, maybe even a pinch small. But the only thing that I can really disagree with is, it just feels super tight in here. So maybe I can diddle daddle around with that and get that fixed, but I don't know, man. So you've got adjustability here, of course. You can cinch that down if you want to, which that feels pretty good, really, except you got this big old tag sticking out right here like a big antenna. But that feels really good cinched down, actually. But the really cool thing about these is that zip out liner. Like I said, if it's early teal and you don't want your big insulated stuff on, well, then you just zip out that liner. There you go. Now then you're just in uninsulated bibs or waders. But if I don't see like my banded they feel huge, which you got a lot of room in them, but you feel like the Michelin Man walking around. But these are more, I mean, they feel good. The boots feel really good. I don't know if they feel as good as my Bandits, but they feel real good. And everything's good from the waist up. They just feel a little bit tight right in here. And it seems like that Carhartt Gator Guard material, you know, it goes to the top of the boot. It goes to the top of the boot, and that's about it. I kind of like mine to go below the boot, but to each his own. You can catch these things on sale at Rogers sometimes for a decent price if they've got your size in. I know if you wear a 14 or a 15, they've always got your size in stock. But man, I appreciate you guys watching. This is just a little product review on the Rogers 2-in-1 Elite 2-in-1 breathable waders. Like I said, I'm not gonna hunt out of these until I go to Arkansas in January. So can't really give you a good idea. The hell, they may leak right now. I don't know. I know that every other wader I've used has leaked. Maybe these will take a few seasons before they leak. Eventually, I won't have to buy some Sitkas like everybody else. But anyway, so far I like it. I know with a wading belt on, these are going to feel super good. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below what your favorite pair of waders is, what kind of shotgun y'all are shooting, what kind of shells you're using, the whole nine. I'll catch you guys on another one.